Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Identity University School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class nursery. Our today's topic is rearrange of Arabic letters. Okay, dear students, our today's topic is rearrange Arabic letters. Our today's lecture number 5 and HW, today's HW is 4. HW number 4. Okay, dear students, firstly I want to show this book. This book name is Ideal Islamic Studies and Arabic. Ideal Islamic Studies and Arabic. This is your religion book. Selected religion book is Ideal Islamic Studies and Arabic. From this book we will discuss from page number 10 and 11. 10 Arabic alphabet. Lesson number 2 Arabic alphabet. There are 29 Arabic alphabets. Dear students, we know that there are 29 Arabic alphabets from alif to ya, and in this phase examination of Arabic alphabet. This phase is very, very important for you. If you want to give the answer correctly of rearranging, must learn this phase, examination of Arabic letters. Then if you learn this phase, I hope that you can give the correct answer of rearranging. Okay, dear students, now come to the board. Dear students, on the board there are two charts. This is chart number 1. This is chart number 1 and this chart number 2. There are two charts of Arabic letters on this board. This chart have total 20 letters, and for this chart there are one chart of rearranging come in the examination, and you can get 5 marks for the chart if give the answer correctly. For every letter you can get 0.25 marks. Okay, now show the 20 letters in this chart. Firstly, we have to read this letter carefully. There are descending disorder Arabic letters, disorder ways Arabic letters. You have to write down here order ways. So we know that first letter of Arabic is alif. Where is alif? This is alif. Okay, now cross this letter and write here alif. Dear students, Arabic letter must write from right side. So alif write down here, first box of upper level. So write down here alif. Alif. Then second letter of Arabic is ba. Where is ba? This is ba. So cross here ba. This is the easy way to search from the disorder way. So ba, cross here and write down here ba. After ba come in the Arabic letters ta. There is no Arabic letter in this chart ta. So you have to search which letter come after ta. Come after ta is sa. So cross here sa and write down here sa. After sa come jim. Which is jim? Jim is here. So cross here jim and write down here jim. After jim come ha. There is no letter here, this chart ha. So you have to search which letter come after ha. Come after ha is kha. So write down here, cross here ha, kha and write down here kha. After kha comes dal. Where is dal? Dal is here. So cross down here, cross here dal and write down here dal. After dal comes letter zal, but there is no letter in this chart zal. So you have to search which letter come after zal. Ra come after zal. So cross here ra and write down here ra. After ra comes za. Which letter is here? Za. Okay, dear students, there is no letter here za. So you have to search which letter come after za. Ra za, then come after sin. So cross here sin and write down here sin. Sin. After sin comes shin. There is no letter shin here. So you have to search after shin which letter come? Shin, sin, swad. Swad come here, swad comes after shin. So cross here swad and write down here swad. After swad comes dod. But there is no letter in this side dod. So you have to search which letter come after dod? Swad dod. After dod comes to. So cross here to and write down here to. Then come after which letter after to comes zo. So cross here zo and write down here zo. After zo comes which letter? Ain. To zo ain. Ain is here. So cross here ain and write down here ain. Which letter come after ain? Goin. This is goin. Cross here goin and write down here goin. Then comes which letter? Ain goin. Then comes fa. Where is fa? Fa is here. So cross here fa and write down here fa. Then comes which letter? After fa? After fa comes qaf. There is no letter here qaf. So which letter comes after qaf? Kaf. Kaf is here. So cross here kaf and write down here kaf. After comes kaf is kaf. Qaf kaf lam. Lam is after comes kaf. So cross here lam and write down here lam. After lam comes mim. So where is mim? Mim is here. So cross here mim and write down here mim. Mim. After mim comes which letter? Noon. Lam mim noon. Noon is here. Cross here noon and write down here noon. Then comes which letter? Wow. But there is no letter is here. Wow. So which letter come after wow? Ha. Ha is after of wow. So cross here ha and write down here ha. And which letter ha comes after ha? Hamza. But there is no letter in this chart Hamza. So which letter is come after Hamza? Iya. Iya is the last letter and cross here iya and write down here iya. Okay, dear students, already we have finished chart number 1 and answer is alif, ba, tha, jim, kho, dal, ro, sin, sod, to, zwa, ain, goin, fa, kaf, lam, mim, noon, noon, ha and iya. This is the answer of this order ways letters. It is the order way or the arrange way. Okay, dear students, now we will start chart number 2. There are 20 letters is also in this chart. You have to write down here order way or arrange way. So firstly you have to search which is alif. Alif is here. Cross here alif and write down here alif. Then which letter? Then comes alif ba. But there is no ba in this chart. So which letter come after ba? Ta. Ta come after ba. So write down here ta. Then comes tha, but there is no letter in this chart tha. So you have to search which letter come after tha. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim. Jim is come after tha. So cross here jim and write down here jim. Then jim is come after jim. Which letter come? Ha. But there is no letter in this chart is ha. So you have to search which letter is come after ha. Kho. Kho is come after ha. So cross here ha, kho and write down here kho. After kho comes dal. Which letter is dal? There is no letter in this chart is dal. So which letter come after dal? Zal is come after dal. So cross here zal and write down here zal. And after zal which letter comes? Ra. Ra is here and cross down here ra and write down here ra. Then which letter comes? Ra, za. But there is no letter in this chart is za. So which letter come after za? Ra, za, sin. Sin come after za. So write down here sin. Sin. After sin come which letter? Shin, sin. Sin, shin. Shin come after sin. So write down here shin. Shin. Sin, shin. Then swad. Which letter is swad in this chart? There is no letter is swad. So you have to search which letter is after swad. Dod is after swad. So cross here dod and write down here dod. Which letter come after dod? Toa. Toa come after zoa. Dod. So cross here toa and write down here toa. And which letter come after toa? Zoa. Zoa come after toa. So cross here toa and write down here toa. Write down here zoa. Toa zoa. Then which letter comes? Toa zoa ain. Ain is here. Where is ain? There is no letter in this chart is ain. So you have to search which letter come after ain. Goin is come after ain. So cross here goin and write down here goin. Then goin. Then which letter comes? Fa. Where is fa? There is no letter in this chart is fa. So which letter come after fa? Qaf. Qaf come after fa. So qaf write down here. Qaf. Then which letter kaf? Then which letter come? Kaf. After qaf comes kaf. So cross here kaf and write down here kaf. Then which letter kaf? After kaf comes lam. Lam, cross here and write down here lam. Then which letter? Qaf, kaf, lam. Then comes mim. Where is mim? There is no letter in this chart is mim. So you have to search which letter is come after mim. Noon. Noon is come after mim. So write down here noon. Mim noon. Then come after which letter? After noon. Wow. Wow is come after noon. Mim noon. Then wow. Wow write down cross here and write down here wow. Then which letter come after wow? Kaf, lam, mim, noon, wow, ha. Where is ha in this chart? Ha is here. So cross here ha and write down here ha. Then which letter come? Ha. Then comes hamza. Where is hamza is here? Hamza is here. Cross here hamza and write down hamza here. After hamza comes which letter? Ya. And ya is the last letter of Arabic. Cross here ya and write down here ya. Okay. Dear students, we have finished our answer in order way or arrange way. In this chart was the letter disorder way. Now we will write in this chart order way or arrange way. This is the answer of this question. There are 20 letters in this chart and for every letter you can get 0.25 marks. For 20 letters if you give correct answer you will get 5 marks totally. Okay, dear students, now I will give HW for you. HW chart number 1. Okay, dear students, notice the board. HW, rearrange, following Arabic letters. Rearrange following Arabic letters. Chart number chart 1 only. Okay, dear students, you have to do ASW only chart number 1. This chart. You have to write down this chart and answer this chart. This is ASW. No need chart number 2. You have to write down chart number 1 only. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, and stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.